This is a 2004 Lincoln LS. It has a 3.9-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Features include a 12-speaker audio system, a sport suspension, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, performance tires, 17-inch wheels, traction control, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Auffenberg Ford North is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 115 Regency Park in O'Fallon.